Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, October 6th. Yes, I'm finally back from vacation. Yeah, so all good. So, what's happened over the last 2 weeks? Well, we had government data may be impacted by the shutdown. So, the government shut down, and the market really doesn't seem to care too much. Yeah, so, it's a lot of finger pointing, a lot of the same typical he said, she said. But the market seems to be completely ignoring it, which is a concern. What's going on the docket today? You can see here from forexfactory.com that we have European numbers, but no US numbers until after 5 p.m., where FOMC member Schmidt speaks. And that's it. So there's really no news of interest today. So moving on, looking at the daily chart here, you can see that we have over the last 2 weeks. So here's where I went on vacations. We are slightly above that Friday, or slightly above. We've basically gone sideways over the last 2 weeks to the upside slightly. We are above that area, but not a whole ton. The high when I left was 67.58, and we're currently at 67.84. So about 20 points. So I didn't really miss that much. We had a little pullback, and then it retraced back to the highs, market highs. Market is above the moving averages. What does that mean? It means we're bullish. We're above the trend line. We're bullish. We are, fairly far away from the 20-day. You notice how that 20-day is like a magnet. So it came right back down to it there. And then it bounces off and it comes back down to it. So we can certainly see a pullback into this old trend line and the 20-day moving average. That being said, the market's just sort of chopping to the upside. Volume is slightly above average. Yeah, nothing really to talk about there. Moving on, in inventory. So on Friday, inventory was positive going into the weekend, and the market was barely scratched. It looks like it was actually slightly down, and inventory was up, but not by a ton. So I'm going to say this is sort of a neutral. Same with the previous day, Thursday was also, we had inventory slightly negative on positive price action. So kind of a back and forth going on right here. Not much to tell. Looking for the overnight, approximately 27 points. That's above average. Average is 22 to 25 ish. So a little bit above average overnight volatility. Really not much to talk about there either. Where do we have support and resistance? We've got some resistance at 6,800, the whole number. Above that, we're in nosebleed area, 68.2350. These are all fib extension numbers. On the bottom side, 67.67, 67.54, 67.44. What else we got below us? I'm going to have to update my levels, but looks like we've got a level at 67.11 and 6,700 as support. So there you have it. Stock Traders Almanac for today, 57.1. 57.1 is the Stock Traders Almanac. It's a slight positive bias by approximately 7% from the long-term historical averages. There you have it. Hope you have a great day. I'm glad to be back. We'll get these charts updated for you, and we'll be all set up tomorrow. So good luck today. Remember, always trade what you see and not what you think. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.